and then all in that area right there. You know, get a little gunky in the blade. You know, can get rid of some of that brown. Like I said, some folks like, why would you clean the chainsaw, man? It's a chainsaw, it's gonna get dirty. And you know what? You know, some people, it's their baby. You know, this is my baby, so I have another one over there. Probably show another day, but this is one right here that I use majority of the time. So yeah, let's get it. And you know, everybody use different things, but I go with the Zep, real good, you know, brand. The calcium lime and rust, you know, stain remover. I like it, you know, just does the job, man. Sometimes, you know, you don't gotta scrub too hard, you know.
I'm gonna get up in here, man. That's where the chain is really, where the oil under here is real gunky. So you can get all in there, corroded, all that wood and oil, just, you know, clumped up under there. And you know, you can have something, take something. I gotta use even the key, the tool that came with it. Stick it up in there, get some of that gunk out. A lot going on in there. Get another wet wipe. These wood wipes are very industrial and, you know, thick. Can handle all this. Won't tear apart and, you know, in the pieces and all that good stuff. I would crank up my air gun, but it's just gonna be too much noise right now. The air tank and get it sprayed out, but again, get the tool, you know, stick it on the end of the wet wipe or whatever on the end of the tool. It could be another screwdriver or whatever, and just get all in these creases right here to get, you know, all that good gunk out. Alright, so and over here got a lot of that wood and oil mix. far from perfect. It's not gonna be super clean, you know. Just getting a little this gunk out and it's making it look a little better in between jobs, you know. Even around the gas area, I get a little gunky. Just want to get in there a little bit. Not a lot going on in there. I don't really want to mess with that flywheel area too much. I don't want none of this stuff fall back in there. Just to shine up a little bit, not major, like I said. See if I can get some of this. Oh, yeah.
Alright, this is the STIHL MS400C. German made. It's a bad boy. It's what I use for a majority of the work. 25-inch blade. 25-inch ultralight blade. This blade is hollowed out, lasered out, hollowed out in the middle for, you know, makes it real light. Got a magnesium piston, you know, for the weight. Like, when I say the weight, I mean it. Like, you can literally lift this thing with your pinky, like literally, you know. The power is crazy. Power on it is ridiculous. Just love everything about it, man. Cuts real good, cuts real strong, you know. Said very lightweight, so you know, if you want, you could take it up there, up in the trees with you. It's not gonna be a problem with the weight, I know that, but it's a bad boy. I was just cleaning it, you know, just got done cleaning it, rubbing it down. Got a lot of oil and gunk build up from the last job site, so we just came in here with some ZEP, you know, calcium lime rust, you know, diluted. It's very strong, very good. Smells amazing too. Just gonna leave a good smell on there, and yeah, that's that. It's like, you know, to me, it's like a sports car or chainsaw. You know, very light, very strong. And these days, that's what you need, you know, to get the job done faster. You know, so